Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to be making a pea and pancetta risotto. So let's get started. So for the risotto, you're going to need 800 ml of chicken stock, 50 ml of white wine, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 50 grams of butter, 2 crushed garlic cloves, 1 medium onion finely diced, 120 grams of frozen peas, 160 grams of Arborio rice, 100 grams of diced pancetta or smoked bacon, 50 grams of fresh Parmesan and a handful of spinach. Okay, so get the pan nice and hot. Then we'll go in first with the olive oil. Then we'll go with the pancetta. Let that cook for about a minute until it goes nice and crispy. Okay, so that's starting to go nice and crispy now. So we're going to take some of it out to use as a garnish later on. And the rest we'll leave in. Just turn the heat down a little bit. Then we're going to go in with our onion. Then we'll add our garlic. Let that cook for a couple of minutes until the onions start to soften. Okay, so the onions have started to soften now, so we're going to add some of the butter, probably about half of it. And next we're going to go in with the rice. We'll just let that toast, let the rice toast for about a minute. Okay, so now we're going to go in with our white wine. Just let that evaporate. Okay, so once that's evaporated, we're going to start adding our stock. You just want to add the stock gradually. Remember, turn your heat down a little bit. You don't want it to boil too much. just keep gradually adding stock until it's all evaporated. Okay, so while we're waiting for our rice to cook, we're going to get our peas cooked. So you want to cook these in a pan of boiling water for about a minute. No more than that, because otherwise you just have to lose the colour. Just remember to keep gradually adding your stock. This will take about 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes will take to cook the rice. Ready? So I'm just going to add a handful of spinach to the peas. I'm going to drain the peas. Okay, so we're going to blend the peas to a puree. Okay, so that's the pea puree done. That's going to go into the risotto at the end. Okay, so the rice has been cooking for about 12 minutes now. So I'm just going to give it a little taste. Yeah, so that's cooked. I'm just going to add a little bit more of the stock though, just to loosen it up a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to add our pea puree that we made earlier. Okay, so we're just going to finish this off now with the Parmesan. Don't put all the Parmesan in, keep something to go on top. And the butter, we'll add the rest of the butter. Okay, and that is it ready to serve up. And to finish it off, just some more Parmesan. And some crispy pancetta. And that is it.